No, no, I give up. No, 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 I give up. No, no, can't deny it. No, no, I give up. No, 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 I give up.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Valerie. Firstly, I'd like to thank everyone for the massive response on the previous video I did on how to make a face mask using turmeric. The response was so much. I had so many people who were coming to my inbox telling me and asking me about how they can use it to improve their skin. Some even sent me pictures showing me of the progress that they had made using the turmeric mask. Some who had acne and some who had hyperpigmentation and the like. They were communicating with me, sending me their pictures and the like. So I decided not to do a new video immediately, as I was still responding to these people. And there are many more people who decided to join the challenge, the 7-day challenge, right about the time I was about to record a new video. So I decided it would be a waste of time recording something whilst I'm still attending to something. That's why I've been quiet. But today I decided that we can now go forward and continue talking about things that can help our skin and our hair. And I also received so many questions on how I treat my hair. So today I decided to focus on hair. The thing I'm going to talk about today, you can find it in so many beauty and cosmetic products because of its healing properties. It's very good on hair, it's very good on the scalp, it's very good on the skin. So today we're going to talk about aloe vera. So aloe vera is, if you look at many cosmetic products, even things like shaving cream, hair moisturizers and the like, you'll find that it's one of the ingredients because of its healing properties. It's good on skin. You can use it for different things. For instance, if you have sunburn, you can use it to soothe your skin. If you have scalp issues like itchy scalp, you can use it. If you've got razor burn, you can use it as well. I remember just a few weeks ago, my husband had the issue of razor burn after he got his haircut, and we actually used aloe and it helped soothe the itching. So today I'm going to talk about how one can get this aloe, the gel. You know, the aloe plant has got a couple of parts to it. So I'm going to talk about how we can extract the gel, because the gel that is inside the leaf is the one that is used in cosmetics. It's also used in making the hair products. So this aloe that we'll extract, we'll use it for moisturizing our hair. We can also use it as a pre-shampoo treatment. Like before you shampoo your hair, you can put the aloe on your hair and wait for a couple of minutes. It also helps your hair. It leaves your hair very hydrated and moisturized, and especially in summertime it's very useful. Like that's what I use for my hair to keep it moisturized. I use the aloe, then after I use the aloe I put an oil to seal the moisture in. Yes, to seal the moisture in. I also use it for styling my hair. It's very great. It has got a slip in it that makes it very great for styling. Like if you want to do a braid or a twist, you can use it to do so because it's really great. It's got a great slip, and the greatest thing about aloe is that it has a very high percentage of water. Most of the aloe plant is water. So when you're putting it on your hair, you know that you're just adding moisture to your hair, because your hair really needs moisture. When hair is dry, it breaks a lot. And when you add moisture, let's say you add your aloe plant, it makes your hair thrive, it makes your hair healthy, It makes it easy to manage. You know, one of those childhood memories most people have is when they were about to get new braids or the like, how they would endure the painful combing out and detangling, because it would be done on dry hair. But now you can use that aloe to detangle your hair, or you can just spray it on your braids so that you do not experience too much loss of hair as a result of the hair being dry. So today I'm going to show you how I extract my gel. I normally extract it. I have got an aloe plant in front of my house, so I go there, I just take it, I cut it, then I get the gel from the middle part, then I blend it and I store it in the fridge, and I use it whenever I want to use it, before shampooing my hair or during the course of the week to keep my hair moisturized. So just watch me while I do this. Okay, so I just collected my leaf from outside from the plant. Now I'm going to show you how I extract my gel from the plant. So you should be careful of, there's a yellow liquid that comes out from the plant. It's said to be a laxative, so just be careful. Just let it drip out of the leaf. So you can just cut off this part of the plant. Then you cut out the thorny parts so it's easier for you to extract the gel. So I'm cutting that part out. And this is after I had cleaned my aloe leaf. Make sure that your leaf is an older leaf from an older plant, because if you take a plant that is still very young and a leaf that's very young, you might not get the full benefits of aloe vera, like the active ingredients in aloe vera. You will not get the full benefits of it. So let me just cut out this thorny part. Yes, like this. And now I'll just divide this so that it's easier for me to open in the middle. Then I open in the middle. Yes, like this. Yes. So in the middle, there is this sticky substance. That's what we want. That's the gel. So I'll scrape it off with my spoon, putting it into my blender. And I'm scraping it off. So the importance of blending, you might want, if you don't have a blender, you can actually just use the gel like that. But the problem with using it like that is you have some little white particles that will remain in your hair, and it's really messy trying to get them out of your hair. So there. I'm scraping it off. Wow. As I was saying before, it's really slippery, the gel, which makes it great to use when you're using it for your hair. Okay. Now let me cut the other part. So you can just do that. You can cut as much aloe as you want to use, or if you want to just collect a lot of it at once, you can collect a lot of it at once. Then the one you're not using immediately, you can freeze it in the, you can store it in the freezer. And this particular gel, the one you'll be using every day, you can just store it in the refrigerator, since it has no preservative, to keep it fresh, and use it within a week. Yeah, I think the longest I've kept is within a week because I'll be using it like every day. And another way to store it that makes it very easier to use is after you blend your aloe vera gel, you can just put it into you know those ice cube trays we use to make ice cubes. You can just pour it in the ice cubes, and whenever you want to use, you can just pop out one ice cube and defrost it and use it. Okay, so now that I'm done scraping off the gel, I am just going to blend this out. So while I'm blending, I might turn off the sound as it's going to be very, very noisy. Okay, get this into place. Then you can blend your aloe. So when you're done blending your aloe, you can now strain it using a tea strainer or anything that can separate small little particles from liquid. By the way, when you are blending, you can use any blender that you have at home or wherever, because aloe is considered safe. Some actually take it in their drink or in their food for its health properties. So after you have blended, you then sieve the aloe to remove the small little particles. Then you can store it. So next time we're going to be talking about how I use this aloe that I have just collected to style my hair, and I'll show you how I do it. So please, if you had not yet subscribed, just subscribe and turn on notifications so that when I upload that video, you'll be notified. So till then, goodbye, beauty.